Hey guys, today I will show you how to download an old version of Android app on your device. So let's get started. So firstly, open a browser on device. For example, I use Chrome, and in the search bar, enter up to down. So open this website. It is a reliable source for downloading APK files of older apps versions. And here in the search tab, enter any app you want to install. For example, I will install Instagram. And then tap Go. And then tap on the Instagram icon. And here scroll down until you see older versions tab. Go into it, and here you will see all of the older versions. Then choose the desired version and then tap download. Scroll down to here and then tap download, as I said. Then tap download anyway. And when the download is complete, open the app and tap install. And also make sure that install from an unknown sources is enabled on your device. And to make sure that this feature is enabled on your device, go to the settings and then scroll down to the biometrics and security tab. And here you should find install unknown apps. And make sure that your browser is enabled. And also keep in mind that the older versions may have bugs or missing features that were fixed in the later updates. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching. And also keep in mind that the older versions may have bugs or missing features that were fixed in the later updates. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.